Welcome to this YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. And if you are following me on this YouTube channel, please share the link so that others should benefit as well. So don't be selfish, share the link, please. Share the link so that others should benefit. These are free lessons. They are free lessons. You are not paying anything, okay? So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that you get to be notified whenever I do a lesson on this. So my name's Tutor Patrick Divine, okay? My name is Tutor Patrick Divine. So if you have any question or you want online tuitions with me, you can contact me on this line or WhatsApp me on this line here. It is 0975334778. So that is a line that you can WhatsApp me or call me direct. Then we can talk. So this question, I got it from a past paper, 2018. For the GCEs, okay? 2018, it is on 1st August 2018 for the GCE paper 2. And they are asking us to calculate the distance AC, the area of a triangle, the shortest distance. And you know that in that previous video that I've uploaded, I taught you how to find the area of a triangle, even the shortest distance of a triangle. So you can actually go back to that one so that you learn how to solve. And we actually solved the distances in sine rule and the cosine rule method. Okay, so here let's start. They're asking us to find the distance AC when we have this distance BC and the two angles. And remember, I talked about which formula should you use when you have two angles and one distance. So I said that when you have two angles and one distance, it is to use the sine rule method that you are supposed to use. And in that formula, in that previous video that I did, I said the formula for the sine rule is A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Okay, small letter b, capital letter B down. It is also equal to C over sine C. Okay, so on top there is a small letter, and here down there is a capital letter. This sign, you find it on your calculator. It is there on your calculator. All right, so this is the question now. So remember what I said. So this B, this is a capital B. It represents the angle, like I said in the last video or the previous video that I sent. So this represents the angle. Okay, the capital letter represents the angle, then the small letter represents the what? The size or the length, or should I say the distance. Okay, the distance. So this small letter A is actually opposite to this part. Okay, is opposite to this part here. So this letter A is opposite to this side, and this side, that is where small letter A is. That is what I said in the previous video. Okay, that is where the small letter is. And you go to C. This is capital C. Okay, capital C. So capital C, where is it opposite to? So it is opposite to this side. Okay, So meaning that it is opposite to this side, and this is where small letter c is, like that. Then this b is opposite to where? To this side. Okay, is opposite to this side, and that is where small letter b is. Okay, so now you start solving. So this is the first thing that you're supposed to do, then you start solving. Okay, so here if you look at here, so we say a, do we have a? Small letter a. So small letter a, this is capital letter A, small letter a is this side. Small letter a here, we have nothing here, there is nothing, we don't have the distance here. Okay, so we don't have small letter a here. Do we have capital letter A? Capital letter A, it is the what? Capital letter A, it is the angle. Do we have the angle here? No, we don't have. So meaning that here we don't have to use this, since we don't have, we have nothing here, we don't have A, we don't have capital A. We go back to this one. Do we have B? Small letter B. Small letter B. So small letter B, it is what we are looking for. It is the distance AC. So what we are looking for is AC here. AC. All right. So this is what we are looking for. So we have B. So all right, we have B. Okay. We have B here over sine. What is our B? Our B, this is the capital B. So our B here is what? Is 79 degrees. Okay, it is 79 degrees. So it is sine 79 degrees, like that, is equal to, what is our small letter c? Our small letter c, our small letter c is it is this side. Okay, this is where our capital letter C is, our small letter c is this side. So here we have 15. Okay, we have 15, we have 15 over sine what? Here we come here, so this the capital letter C, it represents this angle here. This is where the capital letter, this is where the angle is. So this is the angle that is there, so it is sine 40 degrees, like that. So down here we have sine 40, like that. So these ones, they are fractions. Now you can cross multiply to find the value of b. Okay, you can cross multiply to find the value of b. So when you cross multiply, so b, it will be b times sine 40. So it will be b times sine 40 degrees is equal to 15 times this. So it will be 15 times sine 79 degrees. Okay, 15 times 79 degrees, like that. Then we need b. Okay, we are looking for b. So to get rid of b, we divide both sides by sine 40 degrees, sine 40 degrees, like that. So this one goes, so it will be b is equal to 15 times sine 79 degrees over sine 40 degrees, like that. Okay, over sine 40 degrees, like that. So it will be b is equal to, so you need to punch this on a calculator and make sure that your calculator is in degrees. Okay, so when you punch 15 times sine 79, so the answer, it will give you 14.72440.775. So you don't need to round off, so you only round off your final answer. So this one, copy it just the way it is, like that. Then what is sine 40? Sine 40 what is sine 40? So sine 40, you find that it is 0.64227870009, like that. So B is equal to, when you divide 14.72440,775 divide by the answer that you found here, so the answer is going to be 22.9071197, like that. Okay, so remember, I said that in the previous video, I said that whenever you find your answer, your final answer, round it off to 3 significant figures, 3 important numbers, and you count starting from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, the first 3 important numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, they are important. And if this number is greater than 4, meaning that starting from 5 going up, you can get 1 from it and you add to this number here. But seeing that here the number is less than 4 and it is less than 5, so this is 0. Okay, so the answer is what? B is equal to 22.9, and if you follow this one here, it is in kilometers. Okay, so the answer is 22.9 kilometers, like that. Okay, so the answer is 29 kilometers, like that. So you say, therefore, what you are looking for is the distance AC. You say AC is equal to 22.9, like that, kilometers, like that. That is the answer for the distance. Okay, so here the distance we found it is what? 22.9, like that, kilometers, like this. So it is 22 kilometers, like that. All right, so we are taught to calculate the area of the triangle. So the area of this triangle here, you remember the formula I said, I taught you in the previous video, that the formula for the area is equals to A is equal to 1/2 multiplied by BC multiplied by sine A. Okay, sine A. And I said that this A represents the what? The angle. All right, it represents the angle. They said the area of the triangle ABC, the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, so this A here, it is the angle that is surrounded by 2 distances. You need to be careful on this one. So I said in the previous video that this A, the angle here that you put here, it is any angle that it will be surrounded by 2 distances. Okay, it can be either be this angle and it is surrounded by this distance and that distance. Okay, so it can be this angle surrounded by this distance and this distance. It can be either be this and it's surrounded by this angle and this angle. So the area that you find, it will be the same. But the thing is, the key point is the angle, it's supposed to be surrounded by the 2 distances. Okay, so that is how you find your area using this formula. Okay, so this B and C, they're actually the distances that surround the angle. You understand? You need to be careful. Don't get any distance. Get the distances, these, as those that surrounds the angle. Meaning here, this one, this distance surrounds this angle here. This distance and this distance surround this angle. Okay, they surround that angle there. You understand? So these are the distance, but we don't have this angle, but we can actually find it. Okay, we can actually find this angle by you know that angles inside the triangle add up to 180. All right, angles inside a triangle add up to 180. All right, so we can say this is our x. Let's say this is our x, our angle x. Okay, so we can actually add x plus x plus we have 40 degrees here, plus 40 degrees plus 79 degrees is equals to 180. So the 180 degrees, so the angles inside the triangle add up to 180. You should know this. Okay, so angles inside the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So you say x plus, so 40 plus 79 is equal to 119, like that. So it's equal to 180 degrees. So this is just an equation, a simple equation. You can collect the like terms from here. So it is x is equal to 180 degrees, and this, when it comes this side, it will be negative 119 degrees, like that. So it will be x is equal to 180 minus 119. Okay, minus 119, the answer, it will give you 61 degrees, like that. So this is the angle. Okay, so meaning that a, it is what, 61. X, this x here, the angle here, it is what, 61 degrees. So meaning that when you add 40 plus 79 plus 61, it's supposed to give you what, 180 degrees, like that. So the formula for the area, it is this one. Area is equals to half BC. I said that these are the distances that surround the angle. Okay, so the formula A is equal to half times B. What is our B? So we said that these are the distances that surround the angle, and we are using this angle to find the area, because these are the distances that are surrounded by, that surround this angle here. So there is 15, there is 15 and 22.9. So it can either be this one is B or this one is C. You can get any distance that is here, this distance, between these distances. So we'll say times 15 times 22.9. Okay, then there's times here, there's sine A. So there's sine what? Sine A. And we said that the A, we found that it is what? It is 61 degrees. So we put 61 degrees, like that. Okay, so when you punch this on a calculator, so follow this procedure for you to get all the marks. So it will be divided by 2, then when you multiply this on a calculator, it will give you 15 times 22.9 times sine 61. So it will give you 300.4 318,694, like that. Like, so it will give you this, and when you divide it, when you divide it by 2, the answer is going to be 15 or 150.215 9347. Okay, so you're finding the area, and the area, its units is either meters squared, kilometers squared, miles squared, but you follow what you have here, the units that we have here. So we have kilometers, and you remember I said that you round off the answer to three important numbers, three significant figures: 1, 2, 3. These are the ones that are important, and this one, it is less than 5, so you don't get anything. So the area is equal to what? 150 kilometer squared, like that. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle. Okay, so now we are going to find the shortest distance. Okay, so the shortest distance, how do we find the shortest distance? How do we find the shortest distance? So the formula for the shortest distance, is equal to the a is equal to half over 2. It is half, right? It is 1 over 2 multiplied by BH. If you remember this formula, it is the formula that we use to find the area of a right angled triangle, and this is the same formula that we use to find the distance, the shortest distance. Okay, so the area, we know, we found the area as 150. Okay, as what? As 150 here. So we'll replace this area with 150, like that. 150 is equal to half multiplied by b. What is our b? Okay, so you go back to this one. What is our b? What is our b? Okay, so the area, what is our b? So they are asking us to find the shortest distance from b. Okay, from b. They're asking us from b, the shortest distance from b. Okay, from b to AC, from b to AC. So they're asking us this distance, it is the shortest distance here. Shortcut, it is just a shortcut. Okay, so where it is pointing, what? The b, this b, where it is pointing, the AC, that is the area that they are asking you. And this b, it is the distance, where this b is pointing to. This is the distance that you are supposed to use. This is the distance that we had found for this one, the longest distance. Okay, so it is 22.9. that is the distance that we are going to use here. So b is 22.9, okay, multiplied by h. So h, it is the shortest distance. H is what we are looking for as the shortest distance. So when you reach here, you can put the one there, you cross multiply. So this, when you multiply by that one, it will be 300, okay, is equal to 22.9 multiplied by the shortest distance as h. Okay, so to get rid of the h, you divide by 22.9 on both sides, 22.9, like that. So that one has gone. So h is equal to 300 divided by 22.9. So it is what? It is 13.10043668. Okay, and I said you should round off this answer, the final answer, to three significant figures, three important numbers: 1, 2, 3. So h is equal to 13.1004 1 like that. Since this one it is less than 5, so 13.1 kilometers like that. So this is the shortest distance. So you say therefore the shortest distance from B to AC is 13.1 kilometers. Okay, so you can actually see even here that this is the shortest distance, because this one is 15, this one is 22. Automatically you'll be able to tell that this, yeah, it is 13. Okay, so this distance, it is 13. So this is how we solve the area, the distance, and the shortest distance. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe, you share the link, you like. If you have questions, you can contact me on this line. Okay, on this app line, the WhatsApp line. My WhatsApp line is 260-975-334778. So share to as many friends as you have, so that we may move together as we are doing other topics. So we'll be doing other topics even in chemistry, physics, and mathematics. So these are the subjects that I'll be helping you. I want to help people. I want to help you guys so that you do well in your exams. So you need to practice these questions. You need to practice these questions. So we are going to be doing other questions. So you can do this question. So actually, I will give you another question so that you practice, and tomorrow we can do another topic. So if you want tuitions with me, online tuitions, you can contact me on this WhatsApp line, or you can call me direct. It is 0975-334778, like that. So that is my line. And thank you for watching. God bless you.